Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making me some Jamaican authentic rice and peas in my kitchen. Rice and peas is a Jamaican side dish of coconut rice mixed with red beans and perfumed with herbs and spices. It is a popular dish served at nearly every dinner table across the island. Growing up in Jamaica, I would have this dish every Sunday and at special events. Traditionally, this recipe would take hours to make as Jamaicans sought to prepare nearly every ingredient from scratch. So if you want to learn this recipe, stay tuned and let's go ahead and make us some rice and peas. Let's go! These are all the ingredients that I will be using to make my authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Over here, I have some white long grain rice, and I'm using 3 cups of long grain rice to make my rice and peas today. You can use whatever rice you have, it doesn't really matter. Here, I have some coconut milk. The creamier the milk is, the better your rice and peas is. Cannot wait to dig in this. Over here, I have me some red kidney beans, and I'm using me 1.5 cups of my red kidney beans. Take a look at it. Cannot make rice and peas without some of this. Remind me so much of back home in Jamaica. Here I have some spices that I will be using to give it a little taste and all of that. Here I have me some fresh thyme. I have me some scallion, my scotch bonnet pepper, and some cloves of garlic. This is a must, guys, so please make sure you have those as well. Here I have these little dried seasoning here to give it additional taste, flavor. All right, so here I have me some all-purpose seasoning, which is 1 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon of my black pepper. Here I have me some pimento seed and also 2 tablespoons of my unsalted butter. All right, so if you want to learn this quick, simple, and easy recipe, please do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned and let's go ahead and make us some rice and peas. Let's go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wash our peas. This is what it looks like, all washed and clean. All right, so let's move on to the next process. To my pot, I am going in with adding my peas so it can be cooked. We are going to go ahead and just add in our garlic. I'm gonna add some of my pimento from now so my peas can get tenderized. We're just gonna give it a stir. And we are going to let this cook until the peas get tender for like 1.5 to 2 hours. So see you guys back soon. Alrighty, we are back and we are 40 minutes on the timer. So let me go ahead and check on my peas. Let's see if it's cooked or it's almost getting there. Let's see. And as you can see, it doesn't look like it is ready as yet. It is still hard, but we need more water in our pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add me 2 more cups of water. We are gonna cover that up and we are gonna let our peas continue to cook. So see you guys back. And we are back and this is what it looks like. Let's check on our peas. As you can see, the water is dried out a lot, so let's check. And my peas, it is cooked. So what I'm gonna do here, as you can see, it needs more water, so I'm gonna pour 2 more cups of water to that. Just gonna add me some more. So roughly 4 cups of water, that is. Now we're going to season our pot. So in the meantime, I'm just going to add my coconut milk. Just like so. Give it that stir. I like how the color looks, perfect. To that, I'm going in with my spices and my herbs. So I'm just throwing it like so. My thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to season the pot, so now we're going to add our seasoning. Let me give it a stir. Let me give it a taste test. You need salt, and I'm going to add me some salt. A taste test. Perfect, doesn't need anything else. I'm not going to add my butter as yet. I'm going to add my butter when I'm almost ready to add the rice. So we want to cover this and just let this cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until our coconut milk is cooked. So see you guys back 10 to 15 minutes. And we are back to check up on our pot to see if our coconut milk and all these herbs is, you know, incorporated, you know, and yes it is. So now it was 15 minutes on the timer. Let me give it a taste to see if it needs anything before we add our rice. It is perfect, doesn't need anything. What I'm gonna do now is go in with my butter. Just add it just like that. To our pot, we are gonna go ahead and add in our rice. Now we're gonna give it a stir. And we're going to remove some of our water because we don't want too much liquid inside of our pot. All right. So this is what you want your rice and peas to look like. The less water, the better it is prepared. All right. Don't want it to spoil. So we're gonna leave this on medium heat, and then we're going to cover this up. And then we're gonna let our rice and peas steam, okay? And see you back like in the next 15 to 20 minutes. And we are back. Let's check on our rice and peas. OMG. Let me turn my stove off and let me just show you guys. Wow. First, we're gonna make sure we remove the pepper. Yes. It did not burst. Perfect. We are going to remove the thyme and the scallion remains from our pot because, you know, we don't want that in our food. So yes, we're going to remove those. And voila! There you have it. My authentic Jamaican rice and peas is all finished and is looking oh so good, and not to mention tasting so flavorful and delicious. Full of flavor, I must say. So if you enjoyed this rice and peas recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to leave a comment so I can see your honest feedback. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so I can know you enjoy this video. So, If you want to try it in your kitchen, please go ahead and do so. It is quick, simple, and easy. There is nothing fussy about this recipe. I got straight to the point and I delivered. So stay tuned and see you soon. More content is coming up, so please make sure your notification button is turned on as well. I hope you have a blessed week and a blessed day. See you soon. Bye for now. Bye, guys.